There we go.
Ooh! Look at the egg, Em. Where's the orange egg?
How do you know? This was a thief here.
Hey, good job,
Daddy, put
Charlotte.
this in a basket.
Mark made all these
All right, let's go.
Oh!
Go ahead. Whoa! Keep going. Oh, go ahead. You want Mama help? Go ahead, baby. Go get the girls. Up, up, up. Go get them. Go. Go ahead, honey.
I see a purple one. You can get the yellow one. Go ahead. Go get them.
Hey, you guys just ran right by one.
Yeah, I know.
Did you leave that one for MJ?
Yeah, I see a blue one. Where's the egg?
I see orange.
Blue egg. Go ahead and get it.
Hey, there's a pink one that I want. I need to squeeze into it.
Hey, slow, slow, slow.
Just drop them in.
Where do you think this Easter bunny went?
Okay, hey.
Oh, I see a blue one. I see a yellow one.
You can go that way, bud.
Oh, you can go that way, bud. She's like, but I'm not following you.
I'm right here, honey.
What did you find? Whoa! Wait, what is it?
Oh, there's an egg in it. Hey, Charlotte, put that.
The Easter bunny left you presents out here?
Just drop it in!
Okay. So what was supposed to be Easter excitement has turned into Easter crying.
What is it? Oh, there's Pez and Elsa and Anna?
I want Elsa. I want Elsa.
MJ, would you like a jelly?
Wow.
Jelly. Nope,
And
stay
stickers.
there.
Look, you got Elsa and Anna and Olaf stickers.
I'm gonna use Elsa.
So Charlotte, turn around and show. Let's say, who do you want to thank for this?
Easter bunny.
The Easter Bunny?
Oh,
Show Daddy.
yay!
Show Daddy.
Thank you, Easter bunny. Thank you, Easter bunny, Pootie.
Pootie. All right.